In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with submagic.co for quick short-form edits. Submagic is an AI-powered video editing tool designed to help you turn your footage into engaging clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts fast. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to create vertical content without a complicated timeline or heavy software, this walkthrough will get you from first click to editing in a few minutes. Start by heading to submagic.co. On the homepage, log in if you already have an account. If you're new, sign up, create your account, and then select the account you want to work with. Keep your login details secure and make sure you're using a modern browser so everything runs smoothly. Once you're in, create a new project. You'll find the option to create a project in the upper right corner. Think of a project as your workspace for a specific video or batch of clips. Giving your project a clear name can help you stay organized, especially if you plan to test different versions of the same content. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want Submagic to help. You'll see options such as Generate, Get Magic Clips, and Clip Videos. Pick the one that best fits your workflow. Generate is great if you want Submagic to take the lead and help assemble a result quickly. Get Magic Clips is ideal when you have a longer recording and you want to extract the best moments. Clip Videos is perfect if you simply want to trim and shape footage on your own. There's no wrong choice. Select what aligns with how hands-on you want to be. After you choose your option, Submagic will prompt you to upload your video. Use vertical footage for the best results with Reels, Shorts, and similar formats. A 9:16 aspect ratio works well, and clean audio and good lighting will make the AI's results shine. If your clip is horizontal, consider cropping before you upload, or be prepared to adjust framing once it's in the editor. When your file finishes uploading, you'll land in the editing view. From here, you can start refining your video. Make small tweaks, preview your changes often, and keep an eye on pacing. Short-form content performs best when it gets to the point quickly. If something feels slow, trim a few seconds and keep the energy moving. That's all you need to get rolling with submagic.co. Log in, create a project, choose the editing path that fits your needs, upload your vertical clip, and start polishing. Keep it simple, keep it short, and let the AI help you move faster.